Aloha and welcome to Dino Mama's kitchen. Today I am making double chocolate ice cream cones from the Unofficial Harry Potter cookbook. This episode is not sponsored, and anything I use or that you see is what I happen to have in my home or local grocery. Here's a secret about this Dino Mama. I love chocolate and I love ice cream, but I'm not a huge fan of chocolate ice cream. I find it boring. So I have a solution. I'm going to start this recipe by melting 8 ounces of chocolate, but I'm not just melting any bittersweet chocolate, which you can do if you choose. I actually collect chocolates, and family and friends are always sending me chocolates from all over, and I just cannot eat it all. So I save them. And the pure chocolate bars, like these ones that don't have any almonds or strawberries or marshmallows mixed into them, are perfect for baking or for ice cream. First thing I'm going to do is melt down this chocolate so I can let it cool while I'm working on the rest of the recipe. As you can see, my chocolate is really nice and melted and thick now, so it's time to take it off the heat and let it cool. Next, I'm going to separate 5 eggs. You'll need the yolks, so you can save the whites for an omelet or an angel food cake. Combine 2 cups of whole milk with 2 cups of heavy cream, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder in a medium saucepan, stirring frequently until hot but not simmering. I am mixing these all together with a whisk to break up the cocoa powder, so it's not too clumpy or too powdery. And when it starts to simmer but not quite bubble, then I will turn off the heat. Okay, my chocolate milk mixture is now heated up, but not boiling, so I'm going to put it aside. Next, I'll pour the egg yolks into my chocolate mixture and whisk it until it's fully incorporated. The chocolate may be a little thick since it's been cooling down, but just keep pushing through. We don't want it to be too hot or it will scramble the eggs. Dino Fact of the Day. The Triassic period is regarded as the beginning of the age of dinosaurs, even though dinosaurs didn't actually appear until the end of the period. I'm now going to add 1 cup of my hot chocolate milk into my egg mixture to temper it. My hot chocolate mixture will go back on the heat, and I'm going to slowly add the egg chocolate mixture into it. Reheat and blend to combine so it's nice and smooth. Now you can pour your ice cream mix through a sieve to get rid of any clumps, or pour directly into a pan. You can use any small pan that will fit in your freezer. After adding the ice cream to the pan, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it in. Next, cover it with plastic and let cool on the counter before freezing for at least 6 hours. Normally at this point, since this is ice cream, it should go into an ice cream maker, but I don't have one. If you have one, use it, but this recipe works fine without it. You could also have fun and throw it in an ice cream soccer bowl. Yes, I do have one of those, but it's not necessary. Now, I know most people serve ice cream in cones, but I won't bother buying them because none of my dinos eat them, and they just wind up going stale. Instead, we just like to jump right into the pan, or serve it in a bowl. Thanks for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.